Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss clauses and joining. This is the sixth part of our discussion. In this module, we will discuss how to join the sentences using noun clause. So are you ready? Let's start. Now we will discuss how to join the two sentences using a noun clause. Our first joining word, that. When can we use this joining word? When we find this, that, so, it, etc. And these words indicate an entire sentence or fact. That time we can use that as a joining word. Now see some examples. He is honest, we know that. Look at the second sentence, we know that. In this sentence we find that. And this that indicates the entire sentence he is honest. That's why we can join these two sentences by using that. At first we need to use the second sentence where we find that. So we use we know that. Then we use first sentence he is honest. Now see the next example. He was a liar, nobody believed this. Look at the second sentence. In this sentence we find this, and this indicates the entire sentence he was a liar. That's why we can join these two sentences using that. At first we use the sentence where we find this. So nobody believed, and we remove this. Okay, so whenever we find this, so it, we need to remove it. So nobody believed this, in this sentence we remove this and use nobody believed. Then joining word that. Then the first sentence, he was a liar. Now see the next example. She has arrived, we heard it. Look at the second sentence. In this sentence we find it, and this it indicates the entire sentence, she has arrived. That's why we can join these two sentences using that. At first we use the second sentence where we find it, we heard, and we remove it. So we heard, then use joining word. Then the first sentence, she has arrived. Now see the next example. You have made a mistake, I think so. So look at the second sentence, I think so. In this sentence we find what so, and this so indicates the entire sentence, you have made a mistake. That's why we can join these two sentences using that. So at first we need to use the sentence where we find so. So we use at first I think, and we remove so, and then joining word that, then the first sentence, you have made a mistake. So whenever you find this, that, it, so, and it indicates the entire sentence, we can join to sentence using that. In this case you need to use the sentence where you find this, that, so, it at first, and you need to remove so, this, it, and use joining word that, and then the other sentence. And now we will discuss slightly different from these four examples. Look at the fifth example. He is a great orator. The fact cannot be denied. Okay, here fact. What is the fact? Fact is he is a great orator. So at first we use the fact. Then we use joining word that. Then we use the first sentence, he is a great orator. Then other part cannot be denied. Now see the next example. He is ill, it is known to her. Okay. At first we use the second sentence, it is known to her. Then we use the joining word that. Then the first sentence, he is ill. This example, we can join these two sentences in another way. At first we use joining word that. Then the first sentence, he is ill. And then we remove it and use is known to her. So this example of number 6 example, we can do join these two sentence through these two ways. You can use the first one and you can also use the second one. So as well as you are comfortable. Now we'll discuss the second joining word how. It indicates the method or way. I am telling you a trick. Whenever you find the word method or way or the word how, you can join the two sentences using how. Now see some examples. The first example, you have solved the problem. No one knows the method of solving. So look at the second sentence. There you find the method, the word method of solving. So you can join these two sentences using how. So at first we use the second sentence, no one knows the method of solving. And here the method of solving, we need to remove it. And so no one knows. And then we use joining word how. And then the first sentence, you have solved the problem. Now see the next example. Columbus made an egg stand on its end. I will show you his method. Now look the second sentence, you will find the word method. So you need to use the second sentence at first. I will show, and his method you need to remove. Then use how. So I will show how. Then the first sentence, Columbus made an egg stand on its end. So in this way we can join two sentences using how. Now we'll discuss the next joining word why. It indicates the reason. Okay, why indicates the reason. Now I am telling you a trick. You will find generally the what, the reason or why. If you find the what, reason or why, you can join the two sentences using why. Now see some examples. Look at the first example. He opposed me, I don't know why. So look at the second sentence, you find the word why. So you can join these two sentences using why. How? At first use the second sentence, I don't know why. Then use the first sentence, he opposed me. Now see the next example. She came, I asked the reason. Look at the second sentence. Here we find the reason. So you will find the word reason. So when you find the word reason, you can join these two sentences using why. So how? At first use the second sentence, I asked, and remove the reason and use why. Then first sentence, she came. So whenever you find the word reason or why, you can join the two sentences using why. If you find the word reason, the reason, you need to remove it and use why in place of the reason. So in this way, you can join by why. Now we'll discuss the next joining word where. It indicates the place. Remember, if you find the word the place or where, you can join the two sentences using where. Now see some examples. The first example, where was he born? Do you know the place? Look at the second sentence. There you will find the word the place. That's why we can join these two sentences using where. So at first we use the second sentence, do you know? And we remove the word the place. Then we use joining word where. Then we use he was born. Okay, look at the structure, was he, but here we use he was. Subject verb, here verb subject, we need to use subject verb. Now see the next example. Where can they find the money for it? This is the question. So at first we need to use the question is. We remove this and use the questions as a subject, then verb is. The question is. Then we use the sentence, where can they find the money for it? But we change here. Here we find can they, but here we use they can. I mean verb subject, can verb then subject, and here we use subject verb. So the question is where they can find the money for it. So in this way we can join the two sentences using where. Now see the next joining word when. It indicates time. Remember, generally you will find the time, the what, the time. If you find the what, the time, you can join the two sentences using when. Now see some examples. The first example, the train will arrive on time. Do you know the time? Okay, look at the second sentence. Here we find the word time. So we can join these two sentences using when. So at first we use the second sentence, do you know? And we remove the word the time. So do you know? Then we use joining word when. Then we use the first sentence, the train will arrive, and on time is removed here. We do not need to repeat it. Now see the next example. He would come on time. I was not sure of the time. So again you will find the word the time. That's why we can join these two sentences using when. So at first we used the second sentence, I was not sure, and we remove of the time. Then we use joining word when. Then we use the first sentence, he would come, and we remove on time. So in this way we can join the two sentences using when. Now see the next joining word what. Look at some examples. She said something, he did not hear it. In the first sentence we find something, and in the second sentence we find it. So we can join these two sentences using what. So at first we use the second sentence, he did not hear, and we remove it, and we use joining word what. Then the first sentence, she said, and we remove something. Now see the next example. He said something, listen to it. Look at this. In the first sentence we find something, and in the next sentence we find it. So we use at first listen to and remove it, and we use joining word what to listen to what. Then the first sentence he said, and something is removed here. So in this way we can join two sentences using what. For making today's discussion, I need to take help from Highlights of English by P.K. Mukherjee. Hopefully all of you understand today's discussion. So much for the present. See you in the next presentation. Thank you so much.